This video will demonstrate the use of special tool glow plug wrench. Glow plug wrench is used to remove or install the glow plugs fitted on the cylinder head in diesel engines. Using glow plug wrench. Before removing the glow plugs, disconnect battery negative terminal and remove engine cover. Disconnect glow plug connectors. Attach a suitable extension to the glow plug wrench and install it on the glow plug. Gently loosen the glow plug and remove it from the engine. To tighten the glow plugs, use a suitable torque wrench. Advantages and benefits. This special tool provides easy access and perfect grip on the glow plugs during their removal or installation. Easy access and perfect grip prevents slippage of tools and any possible damage to the glow plugs. It also ensures tightening of the glow plugs at specified torque and prevents compression leakage.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.